One of the fundamental design considerations for optimizing a roof ridge cap roll forming machine is the careful selection of materials. The rollers, tooling, and structural components must be constructed from high-quality materials that can withstand the mechanical stresses and abrasion encountered during the roll forming process. Roof ridge caps come in various profiles and dimensions to match different roofing systems. Therefore, an optimized roll forming machine should be capable of producing a wide range of ridge cap profiles. The flexibility to adjust the machine settings quickly and efficiently is crucial in accommodating different customer requirements. The design considerations outlined in this article are crucial for optimizing a roof ridge cap roll forming machine. A well-designed machine not only enhances production efficiency, but also ensures the production of high-quality ridge caps that meet customer specifications. Manufacturers in the roofing industry must carefully evaluate these design elements to create roll forming machines that are both versatile and reliable.